With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Student, the question is, a particle is projected in a plane perpendicular to a uniform magnetic field. The area bounded by the path described by the particle is proportional to option A, the velocity, option B, the momentum, option C, the kinetic energy, and option D, none of them. Students, let's take the magnetic field inside the paper, and as in this question it is given that there is a charged particle which is projected perpendicular, that means in this direction. Suppose it has v velocity. From Fleming's left hand rule, the direction of current will be in the direction of velocity, and the magnetic field is inside the paper, so the force will be in this direction. So the motion of particle will be like this, and at this point the v will be in this direction and force will be in this direction. Due to this effect, it will move in circular path. So to moving in circular path, the centripetal force will be equal to magnetic force. So we can write that mv square divided by r will be equal to qvb. After simplification, we will write that r is equal to mv upon qb. So it is the circular path, and we know that the area of circular path will be equal to pi r square. Take small r, pi r square, because we are taking small r, so we will write small r, pi r square, and here r we have calculated mv over qv, so we can write it pi m square v square divided by q square b square. So after simplification, we can write that a will be equal to pi m over q square b square into 1 by 2 mv square, and we will multiply also 2 in numerator. So if we see that it is equal to this quantity, but we can write it like this, and it is clear that here 2 pi m q b all are constant, so we can write that area will be directly proportional to kinetic energy. So the answer of this question is option C, the kinetic energy. Thank you, students.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.